You want to start building with Google's latest AI tools, but not sure where to begin? In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how you can sign up with Google AI Studio and start using it now. Welcome back to SaaS Media Studio. This is a channel where developers, digital marketers, AI beginners, SaaS founders, and tech creators level up. Let's dive in. This is what you are going to learn in this video. First of all, I'm going to walk you through the sign up process. Secondly, we are going to explore the interface of Google AI Studio. Thirdly, we are going to write our first prompt. That means you'll be expecting an answer or result from Google AI Studio AI 2 double. You get it? Finally, I sign out. All right. Now, I'll leave the link of Google AI Studio's website at the description. Click on it and you'll be redirected to this page. Now, if you are using Google AI with Chrome browser and you have signed in into your Google account, you are going to see something like this. All right. Now, all you have to do is just check all this. Okay. Scroll down. You can read about it. Then click on I accept. Then that is all. You have been able to sign up simply. But if you are using other browsers like Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or maybe you are using the incognito tool or the incognito window in Google Chrome, that means you haven't signed up, right? You are going to see something like this. You get it? So yes, all you have to do is click on sign in to Google AI Studio. All right, so you'll be redirected to log in into your Google account. So that means for you to be able to use Google AI Studio, you should have a Google account. Now, if you don't know how to create a Google account, I'll leave a link at the description. Click on it and go and learn how to create a Google account. So the video doesn't belong to me though. Now, before I continue, those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course in UDEMY. I'll leave the link at the description and also the first comment. Go and check it out. If you want to sell like 20,000 of emails per day, go and check that video out. And don't forget to like this video. This is how you can sign up with Google AI Studio. Very simple. Okay, you just have to enter your email address, you enter your password, and you are good to go. You'll be redirected to this section. We are going to write our first prompt, but before that, let me just explore the interface with you. I'm not going to go into details, but I'm going to create a special video that will walk you through everything on this website. So you can check the description. If I've made a video already, I'm going to link it. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also follow for more. Right. So now at this section is the category of what the AI can do. All right, so we have the chat, we have the stream, okay, we have the generate media, we have the build, then history, right? And at this right section is the settings that you can make for each category you choose over here. So for instance, we have the chat category, which is the chat assistant, right? So when I click on the chat assistant, at the right side of it, I can make certain settings, okay, that can give me proper results, right? So now at the right side, we can see we have settings, right, for the chat category. Now, the first thing you're going to see is Gemini 2.5 Pro, and that is an AI model, right? So we have like 4 or 5 AI models here, right? Now, every AI model has its own capability, right? So when I just click on that, you can see these are all the 5 AI models. So you have the Gemini 2.5 Pro, you have the 2.5 Pro preview, we have the Flash preview, and you have the light preview, right? Yes, and that is 2.0, Gemini, and others, right? Good. That is the models under the Gemini 2.5. Now, if I'm looking for Gemini 2.0, I can just click on it and I'll see models under Gemini 2.0. And these are the 3 models, right? And we have the Gemini, these are the models, we have the others, right? So when I click on Gemini 2.5, when I hover my pointer on any of the models, these are the capabilities and the pricing, right? Good. So now, when I have a pointer on the Gemini 2.5 Pro, new one, you can see that with API pricing per 1 million tokens, UI remains free of charge. The UI is free, but the tokens that you're going to use is what you're going to pay for, right? And this is less than or equal to 200 tokens. The input, you are going to pay $1.25. and $10. Okay, and you're going to give a lot of free tokens to use at this section. So when I just choose, let me go to Gemini 2.0 and let me just choose the Gemini 2.0 Flash. So now at this section, you can see we have the best for, okay, so the best use case, so multimodal understanding, real-time streaming, native tool use, and this is the use case. Process 10,000 lines of code. Okay, call tools natively like search, stream images and video in real time. You understand? So if you are using this for just normal research, it is better you go for something very low, okay, so that the API pricing will be very low. Okay, basically, the lower AI model you choose, the lower you are going to be charged with a token. With this chat prompt, you are going to get like 1 million free tokens, right? So you can, cause some changes over here, like thinking models. You have to structure that code execution and other stuff. So basically, this is how about the chat category, right? Now, when you go to the stream category, this is the real time section. So you can, let's say, record your screen, right? Whilst you are having a chat with the AI, right? Then the AI will respond to you. And let's say if you are having a real time problem, you can share your screen and just tell the AI to look at your screen and suggest a solution for you. You understand? You can also share an image, real-time image. You have a chat real-time with the AI model. You understand? So I'll make a special video walking you through every step, but I'm just walking through the interface, how a stuff works. You understand? And at the right side, you can see that we have the media resolution. When I click on that, I can just click on 66 tokens per image. So now basically what it means that if you choose the 66 tokens per image, the quality will not be that great as compared to choosing the 258 tokens when this AI model produce or generate an image for you. You understand? Then we have the generate media. So if you have heard about the VO2, where they are creating realistic images or videos, this is what they use, generate media. So you can generate videos, real-time videos, 4D videos that look very real. You understand? Or maybe 5D. Okay, so you can see we have the view over here. You have the Gemini image generation. You can generate image, you can generate speech, you can generate high quality images, you can create clips, okay, and animate images using generative video, right? You can also use interactive, and that's it, okay, real time. So this is about the generate media section. So we have a lot of templates here that you can use, okay, that's good. The next one is build. That is my favorite. Now, basically, build will help you to build stuffs. You can create web apps with this build. Okay, so this is basically good for developers, right, or coders. So that is basically about the build. So I'm just going to click on it. All right, so this is the build section. So you just have to write your prompt here. Whatever you want to build, you just have to write it over here. And that's all. And this AI is going to build it for you. That's very powerful, right? You can just click on start from a template, and it has a list of templates that you can use. And this is how you can use the build section, right? Then we have the history section. So whatever you've used the AI to create, you are going to see that in the history section, right? And one good thing about this is that you can save it to your Google Drive. So whenever you want to access your created stuff, you can see it over here. So you just have to click on allow drive access, and that is very good. And that's all. You can just make savings into your Google Drive. Now, you can also generate your API. If you're a developer and you want to use Google AI Studio in your project, you can use their API. So you can just click on get API and you can generate API. And that is how you can use the Google AI Studio platform. You understand? So now, we are going to write our first prompt, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the chat section. All right, so this is it. This is where we are going to write our first prompt, right? So first of all, I'm going to select my module. Okay, so I'm just going to choose module 2.0 and I'm going to choose the flashlight. So you can see I have 1 million tokens for free. So I just have to write anything here. Tell me about empathy map as a UI UX designer. Okay, so I'm going to run this and let's see what this tool is going to generate for us. So I want you to notice something here. Whenever it is generating, you can see that the tokens that it is being used is being numbered over here. So you can see it has used 13 tokens so far out of 1 million. So it has used 1,000 tokens out of 1 million. You understand? And it's done. So at the end of this generation, it was able to use 1,446 tokens out of 1 million, right? And you can see it only used 23 seconds, 9 milliseconds. You understand? So this is what it generated for us. You can read through, and that is really amazing. So as a UI designer, an empathy map is an invaluable tool used to understand and synthesize information about your target users, and this is very powerful tool. What do you want to build with Google AI Studio? Let me know in the comments. Maybe I might feature your idea in the next video. This is what we learned in this video. First of all, I walked you through the sign up process. Secondly, we explored the UI or the interface together. Thirdly, we wrote our first prompt. That is where we are now. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe. Leave every comment or question or suggestion or any request at the comment section. I will tackle that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.